Eliab, he pay you. He pay you a B. Now you not get peace, so you are the one that doesn't have peace of mind. Look at how low you have become in life. All you do is to expose, and this is exactly what I told the audience, that you are a blackmailer. Imagine, what have you been proving since? You have been exposing yourself. You have been bringing out, let me play this audio, let me not play this audio, let me play this, because you are a boy. You are a boy, you are not a man. You are not fit to my personality. You are not good enough for me. You are not my kind of person. I thought I could make you grow. I thought I could, lift you up. But no, you are cursed. Eliab, no matter what you try to expose out there, I am not interested. Everyone that is watching you, so many of them are not even commenting. They know that this is not a character of a man. This is literally a character of a boy. He pay you. He pay you. What is your problem? Even if I have relationship with my family members or not, it's my business. It is my business, not your business. You see how low you can be? They drag from this side. Sometimes when I'm watching your video, I'm ashamed of you, Eliab. I'm extremely ashamed of you. I am ashamed of you, and that is why I will never allow Munachi have anything to do with you. Because it is better to say, this madman that has no clothes on, that is in a psychiatry hospital, is my father, than to call you that is making a mess out of yourself. People believing you are okay, not knowing you are sick, to call you a father. It is better for me to tell Munachi, hey, I am so sorry, your father died so yeah, than to introduce you to her as being her father, because it's a shame and disgrace. In everything you are doing, you think you are doing it right. He said it earlier before. He said you're going to drag me to your level, and that is why I'm paying attention to it. You can never drag me to your level. It's not going to happen. I won't allow that to happen, baby. You say I don't have peace, I am this, I am that. Look at me. I just finished from my appointment, and I thought I should just throw this to you. The children will be coming to talk to you. Since you don't have brain, you go tired, saga me, Eliab. You'll get tired. You get it? You will be extremely tired of sagaring more. You'll be so extremely tired. You see the houses you claim you work so hard, Eliab, you will not see it. Eliab, you see this car you are saying is 50-something thousand euros, saying on Facebook will say buy them. Eliab, you won't see it. I'm saying this now on social media. I won't allow you see it. Eliab, you see Munachi that you say is your child, and the other ones you claim is your children or stepchildren. Later you disown them, you throw them away. You will not see them. You will not see them. I won't allow you see them. Eliab, you see the 200,000 euros you claim we have made and I sat on it. Yes, I am keeping it. I won't give to you. You see those my brothers and sisters that I have worked so hard for, and at the end of the day, they want more, they are ungrateful. I am telling you now that I disown them. I disown them. What will you do? You will carry bag, when woman, I chase you out of 28 EU country, Eliab. You know the shame. Because of me, you pack your bag. You left such a big country. Germany did there. Slovenia did there. Hungary did there. Belgium did there. Holland did there. Italy did there. And so many other countries I can count right now. You know if you enter. Now Mabel, now he pursue you all over from the EU country. I be man. Now man I be. I be Odunga to the core. Now man I be. Nothing they happen. So, you're supposed to be worshiping me, literally. Because everything you are saying right now, you are promoting me. You are making the whole world know, say, this woman a strong woman. Because now this woman, I ain't keep person for inside this Austria as a country. I still did the country. No be you be that. Now this woman, I they maltreat her children 24/7. They beat her children every day. They use her children for content. But Austrian government, no fi beat me, no fi do me anything. I be Udunga. Now me, whenever I don't like anybody, I will just send you go jete. I will send you go prison. Only me, I the Chester. You're supposed to respect me. What else have you said? Now me, they fit do anything when you call. You say they said you know anything when you talk. I do and pass. I jump and pass. You say I married 7 husbands, yes husband. I'm still gonna marry more in your own presence, Eliab. Stop crying like a little baby. Grow up for a change. Grow up. You are frustrated. Tinubu don't they show you Pepe ba? Hey, if you won't carry loads, go back to Nigeria. And then you think without you I can't live. Eliab, I live without you. Who you be? You are an empty vessel. You are so empty. There's nothing you brought to the table. You didn't bring anything to the table. You are empty. School, oh, you not go. Degree, you not get. Handwork, you not get. Nothing you know how to do. What have you done for me? Eliab, you are a failure. Eliab, you fail so to the extent if I look at you out there, I am so ashamed of you. I'm so ashamed of you. You see me? I am a celebrity. I'm a big girl. That is why I give you sleepless nights. That is why you talk about me on your platform. Because without me, baby boy, you can't have more than 5,000 views. Now, miss they give you these small views because my fans they just call, they give you blah blah blah, they give you woto. So thank you all so much. Share this video to read this shameless fool, this idiot. When it makes sense. To look for my trouble, I beg you in the name of God, mommy. Nobody fights me and win a battle. I am just begging you, ma. I love Situ so much. He is my brother. I swear to God. Let him not provoke me. Because nobody ever provoked me and go free. Nobody ever provoked me and go free. Please. Let nobody provoke me the more. Nobody ever provoked me and go free. Mommy, I beg you in the name of God, I don't want to hurt your son. I don't want this thing to affect your son. I beg you, please. I don't want the anger in me to provoke your son. I don't want it. Please. Please, ma. Don't look for my trouble. Otherwise, I will make you go down. Down and deeper down. Don't fight me. Don't touch me. Don't look for my trouble. I am not bragging. Don't look for my trouble. Mommy, please. This video will stay here as a proof that I begged you. Because later when you will call for begging, by the time I start with your son, not physically, and not by my making, I know you will come and beg me for forgiveness. But I am begging you first, because I can't help it. I cannot help it. This is only the best I can do by begging you to ask him to stop. By the time I start, by the time the anger in me starts, I can't help it. I cannot help it. Everybody should help me beg this woman to tell the son to stop. Even though you go babalawo, the way you go backfire you, you go know say my name na Mabel Stella. You go know the kind of person I am. I am not a witch. I am not a wizard. But I am extraordinary human being. And I've been telling every one of you, but you don't want to take it. But you are saying it, right? Don't dare me, Situ. Don't make me stay off. Sleepless night for you for good 4 nights. Don't let me bite you. Don't let me train you. Don't let me eat you. Because if I eat you, if I train you, if I bite you, you will call me a witch. I am not a witch. But you will call me a witch. Until you guys realize that I'm an extraordinary human being. When you talk to me in a bad manner, I will beat you. Mommy, please talk to your son. Thank you all so much for sharing this video. Let it reach mommy. You are still my mother. You are still my mother, mommy. You have always prayed for me. I have always called David my son-in-law. I have always talked to David. I have always prayed for David. I have always loved David. And I have always loved your son. And I still do love your son. But let him not provoke me. Please, ma. I am on my knees. I have begged. This is the best I can give. When I start, ask Eliab where he is today. Not be I take carry one bag, wrong back to Nigeria. And what he see, I is not go fit talk him. Your mouth not go fit talk him. Because not be me they fight him. Now my spirit they fight him. And I have always warned you guys never to provoke me. The things I don't know about myself, you cannot know about myself. I don't understand myself. There's no way you can understand me. But all I do is to warn you. Say, please, I am begging. I am a child of God. I am an extraordinary human being. And I'm still saying it. If you come close to me and you harm me, you hurt me, then you will know Jesus is Lord. Thank you. Love is a beautiful thing. Love is what I share. That is why I've chosen to show love. Because if I show you love, you show me hate, you treat me anyhow. Ha! It's second and I've told you guys I can smile without you seeing my teeth. You get why? Ask your mama. The meaning of that. I smile without you seeing my teeth. You get why? That is all I can say.